Hey.
Come to Papa.
You ready, Brad? No. Epic transition.
Got it.
Oh my God. Oh no. You making a pass? Oh yeah.
We gotta be behind him, he says.
Lock in.
What are we about to do?
All seven better go at the same time.
Why did I come to America?
Put your feet on the vacuum cleaner.
Oh, this is such a dumb idea.
Alright, is everybody ready?
My brakes
yeah.
I can't stop!
Oh man. Getting another trip.
Oh, that was a picture, my bad. Hey, for future Trevor, you gotta start working more or something. I don't know, bro. You're poor. Look at my shoes. They got holes in them. I'm eating a piece of pizza.
He's rocking the single father 64s.
Why are you eating a piece of pizza?
Because I don't have enough money to eat real food.
This man, that looks real to me. Looks real to me.
Yeah.
Tastes like cardboard.
Will you tear it down? Will you decide? We put up a fight for the other side.
You have to climb up that thing?
Yeah.
Raise up our arms to show we're strong. Let me break our bones, but we'll carry on.
Out here in this little crack.
All that you see, do you wanna be adversity? All that you see, do you wanna be you and me adversity?
Okay, so this first one's done, but you're definitely gonna
I don't need it.
bust your head for sure.
Don't need a screw.
Hey, you actually painted on the back of that board?
Huh? Yeah.
That looks good.
I mean, I didn't finish it. I just painted like some little stuff.
Ah, come here, Huggy. Come here. What a creature. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Does he get tired of all the other dogs?
Yeah, he freaking hates me.
Got any advice?
Don't. If you start screwing up, head towards the grass. Yeah. Do not hit the brake, whatever you do.
I never turned around.